I'm here today with the Boss Katana Go, and this is the newest in the lineup, which is very cool. I have the Boss MK100 here as well, but a lot of people are buying these perhaps next to that to play over the headphones because the quality is just so good. I can't really let you hear that what I'm hearing over the headphones with something like this, of course, but it's very small and a lot like smaller than most of the like headphone amps that you have, that you just get like 3 different models in there from like Fender for example, or Legato, and this just has a full modeling amp right built right into here. And of course you also get like the Boss app, which is the same that you get for a large amp like this. So if you're just planning on playing with headphones in your house or in your dorm room, I think something like this is very cool. And I heard a lot of people are also just outputting this headphone, because it's stereo, they're outputting it with like a cable and plugging this into like an amp, so you have your complete effects system with you, and it works very easily. So here's like the on-off button, and that just turns on the device. So you can get like your different models there. And then here on the side you have a lot of space. So this is also why people love this. You have 3 different modes, so A, B and C, and then with this switch you can switch with to a higher number. And then you have a lot of presets in there, which you can set through the app as well if you want to change and customize them. But the ones that are in there are actually really, really cool already. So you can just push a button, have like your preset in there for a song, and then easily switch with this up and down button to your lead sound, for example. So it's very easy to use, and you have this on your guitar, so you can easily just play through this through your headphones. But you can also bring this and then play in your practice room, so you don't need to bring your full amp everywhere you go. So you can use this on the PA, or you can use this on like an amp that's in the practice room, and then just bring your effects on this thing instead of bringing your full Boss. So that's why a lot of people buy this when they already have like a Boss 50 or a Boss Katana 100. So that's cool. And you also have a built-in tuner. If you hold this button here, you can set the volume. So there's a lot going on here. So I really recommend this for anyone looking to get a little bit more flexibility when practicing at home. If you can't play through your headphones all of the or you can't play through your amp all of the time, then something like this, especially if you're already in that Boss sphere of effects, you can just upload them to this and then use your effects on this as well. It's easily turnable, so that's nice too. And I really recommend. I'm going to compare this to the actual Boss Katana 100, so keep posted for that, and I'll see you in the next one.